Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm excited to share you about my topic. But before it, kindly introduce myself. I am Nita. I am from International Marketing Management Study Program. So, the title of our topic today is How to Write a New Article in English. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so in this topic have four essential points. Well, let's take a look at the next slide. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the essential point. The first point about what is a new article. Did you know what is the new article? A new article is a report or situation written in the journalistic style. It can provide information to the public, usually in the concise and factual manner. Well, this is about a new article. And the second point about structure of a new article. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so a new article has four structures. The first structure is headline, the second is lead, and the third is body, and the fourth is conclusion. Well, today I'm also explain one by one. Well, it's in the headline have a much clear catchy title summarized on the new. So, in the headline must have a clear title. And the second is lead. Well, lead, it means in the lead. So in the first paragraph, must answer 5W and 1H. Well, ladies and gentlemen, did you know who is the 5W and 1H? Okay, 5W such as what, why, who, where, when, and 1H is how. Body must have detailed explanation of an event, additional information and codes. So it is about body. And the next structure is conclusion. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so it means in the conclusion is closing statement or future action and reflection. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is about structure of a new article. Yes, it is about structure of a new article. So, I'm also to show you and tell you about example from new article. Well, I have example in new article, and I would like to explain to you about the structure in this example article. Well, a new article is study tour to Bali. I have a new article. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so as you look here, it is a picture when I and my friends go to Bali. I'd like to tell you. So, students enjoy an educational study tour to Bali. A group 28 students from the International Marketing Management Study Program went on a study tour to Bali last week and learning about local culture, story, and nature. And the trip includes visit to lead, body, and conclusion. Okay, with this structure, you can effectively communicate your story. In this case, study 32 values.